Okay, let's do it again. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. All right, ladies and gentlemen, can we give a big round of applause for the unveiling of the plaque by our honorable ministers for doing it online. We're indeed really very thankful for their presence. Thank you. I now invite online DG Shipping Amitabh Kumar to address us. Thank you.
माननीय केंद्रीय मंत्री सड़क परिवहन रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवेज माइक्रो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस श्री नितिन गडकरी जी, गोवा राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी, केंद्रीय राज्य मंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार मिनिस्ट्री केंद्रीय राज्य मंत्री केमिकल एंड फर्टिलाइजर श्री मनसुख मांडविया जी, गोवा राज्य के मंत्रीगण एवं विधायकगण, गोवा के मुख्य सचिव एवं कोंकण मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर के चेयरमैन और मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर श्री सुरेश देवयानी जी एवं मेरे साथियों, गोवा राज्य शिप बिल्डिंग और बोट बिल्डिंग के लिए बहुत समय से प्रसिद्ध रहा है। इसलिए ये बड़े हर्ष की बात है कि हमारे देश का पहला मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर गोवा राज्य में ही आज जिसका फाउंडेशन स्टोन ले किया जा रहा है। गोवा में छोटे जहाज और काफी संख्या में यहाँ जहाज का प्रोडक्शन होता है, लेकिन चूंकि यहाँ के यूनिट्स बहुत छोटे छोटे हैं, इसलिए उनके पास ये मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं रही है, जिसके कारण से इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में जिस तरह का नाम गोवा के शिपयार्ड्स का होना चाहिए था, उस तरह का नाम इनका नहीं हो पाया है। हमारे विभाग का ये बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव रहा है कि वो क्लस्टर के फॉर्म में शिप बिल्डिंग, शिप रिपेयर एवं शिपिंग से रिलेटेड जो बाकी के कारोबार हैं, चाहे शिपिंग फाइनेंस हो, शिपिंग इंश्योरेंस हो, शिप मैनेजमेंट हो, इसको क्लस्टर के फॉर्म में डेवलप करें। छोटे उद्योग भी नए मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज का इस्तेमाल कर सकें। से कोलैबोरेशन ये क्लस्टर का ध्येय रहता है और कोलैबोरेशन से कितनी चीजें की जा सकती हैं, कोंकण क्लस्टर उसका एक बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण बनकर सामने आएगा। कोंकण क्लस्टर में बहुत सारे जो इनका कॉमन फैसिलिटीज सेंटर जिसका आज उद्घाटन हो रहा है, फाउंडेशन स्टोन ले किया जा रहा है, इस सेंटर में बहुत सारी मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज आएंगी जिसका इस्तेमाल क्लस्टर के सारे मेंबर्स कर पाएंगे, जिसमें शॉर्ट ब्लास्टिंग, प्रिमिंग, सीएनसी स्टील कटिंग मशीन, प्लेट और पाइप बेंडिंग, रोलिंग मशीन, शिप डिजाइन का सॉफ्टवेयर, एनालिसिस का सॉफ्टवेयर, मटेरियल और इक्विपमेंट का टेस्टिंग का फैसिलिटी, और साथ साथ जो इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट के डिस्पोजल का फैसिलिटी, खासकर जो फाइबर प्लास्टिक इस्तेमाल होता है पोर्ट बिल्डिंग में, इसकी सुविधाएं इस कॉमन सेंटर में रहेंगी। और जो छोटे छोटे उद्योग जो इस तरह की टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल अपने बोर्ड बिल्डिंग में नहीं कर सकते थे, अब सारे छोटे उद्योग इस तरह की टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कर पाएंगे। और हमारा अनुमान है कि इसके कारण इनका कॉस्ट जो है वो कम से कम 20% कम होगा, और समय भी इनको जो लगता है जहाज बनाने में वो काफी उसमें कमी आएगी। जो डिजाइन की क्वालिटी है उसमें लगभग 70% की वृद्धि होगी, और डिजाइनर्स के कॉस्ट में लगभग 50% की कमी आएगी। इनका जो कार्बन फुटप्रिंट है, जो पोल्यूशन इससे होता है, उसमें लगभग 40% की कमी आएगी, और 30% इसमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ेगा। मुझे बहुत हर्ष है ये बताने में कि इस क्लस्टर के बनाने में जो गोवा सरकार ने, एमएसएमई ने और जो हमारे मंत्रालय ने मदद की है, वो मदद आगे भी इस क्लस्टर को प्राप्त होती रहेगी। बिना इन तीनों सरकारों और मंत्रालयों के सामूहिक प्रयास के बिना, और ऑफ कोर्स जो क्लस्टर के पार्टनर्स हैं उनके सामूहिक प्रयास के बिना, आज ये क्लस्टर शायद इस स्थिति में नहीं पहुंच पाता कि हम लोग उसका फाउंडेशन स्टोन सेरेमनी में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। मुझे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मुझे आज यहाँ बोलने का मौका देने के लिए। मुझे और कोंकण क्लस्टर के सभी पार्टनर्स को बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and addressing us on this wonderful and auspicious occasion. Thank you once again.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now request Honorable Minister for Industries, Shri Vishwajit Rane, to deliver his inaugural address. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Vishwajit Rane.
Guest for today's function, my guide and mentor, who I always say, Nitin Gadkari ji, who has not only transformed and bringing about transformation in the state of Goa, but also has played a very important role in transformation in the country as a whole. I always respect and look forward to always listening to him, listening to his interactions, even during the period of COVID. Mansukh ji, who I have interacted briefly when he was holding the portfolio earlier as Minister for Chemical and Fertilizers. Our dynamic Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, the President of the Maritime Cluster, and all the members of the Industries Association, my colleagues and friends, and Chairman of the Industrial Development Corporation, Shri Grant Tiklo, Honorable MLA from Verna and now this constituency, Mr. Babashan, members of the industry. I don't want to take much time, but this is a great moment for the Chief Minister, for the state of Goa, and for the shipbuilding industry. It is all of us just mentioned just now by the DG Shipping, Shri Amitabh ji, about the benefits that Goa will derive. All of us know that evolution and change has to come, and we need to move fast and fast track with change in order to take the industry and the shipping industry, which has been a very old industry in the state of Goa, and to take it to a different level. It is all because of the support of Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. Today we have been able to get the maritime cluster here, and Mansukh ji, who has been in the forefront to help us get it. And this is something that will not only change the dynamics and also bring about more employment, as was just mentioned by the DBG Shipping, but also create a different level of shipbuilding, and by creating various common facilities and also skilling centers, this will take us to a different level. I have been given specifically 3 minutes, so within 3 minutes I am going to now wind up and only say to each one of you is that these facilities which Gadkari Sahib has been, not only today on this occasion of Dasra, I would like to recognize his contribution to the state of Goa. All of us see the type of work that is happening, and his micro vision also for the state of Goa and a larger vision for the state of Goa. When you look at the bridges that are coming up, you see the roads that are coming up. This type of roads, infrastructure, backbone infrastructure building, which indirectly will help industry, was never thought of in the past. It's only because of his leadership and his contribution to the state of Goa and to our Chief Minister and the support to the Chief Minister, due to which we are in a better position today to create an infrastructure that will last us for more than 50 years in future, with this type of heavy duty infrastructure that is being built by creating 4-lane roads, expressway connecting north to south. This never, all of us in Goa never dreamt of, and this is very important for industry to have a good road backbone infrastructure in place. I, as a Minister for Industry, is a privilege, and to be, it's an honor for me to be a minister in the government of Dr. Pramod Sawant, and also to work under the dynamic leadership of Shri Gadkari Sahib, who is a visionary by himself, and all of us here must make maximum use of this maritime cluster that the land has been allotted by the government. It is moving forward, and also the association and whatever they require. I think the Chief Minister has been very proactive to see that it takes off. And we also have another dynamic minister among us, who is Mansukh Ji, who is the Minister for Independent Charge Shipbuilding, for shipping, sorry. And also these type of facilities not only are restricted only to design or certain basic common facilities, but we must maximum try to see how best we can create ourselves and make us into a state where we are even able to compete in the export market, and also provide all the facilities that did not exist in the state of Goa. I think through these common facilities and through the maritime cluster, Goa will progress. I also would like to, on this occasion, since our Chief Minister is also present here, to mention to Gadkari Sahib that Goa is also pitched, is among the 3 to 4 states that is pitched for the medical device park, which the Honorable Chief Minister is also very keen that we take it forward, because we want to do things that are totally different, want to do things that will benefit the industry, want to do things that our industrial growth will take place. COVID is here, COVID will continue, but irrespective of COVID, Sahib, the type of dynamism and the type of interactions that you have been continuing and during the period of COVID and encouraging all of us to be motivated, we are really grateful to you as a state. I am grateful to our Chief Minister for being very proactive and for having allotted the land on a fast track to see that this maritime cluster, that was one of the first maritime clusters in the country. And Gadkari Sahib, we continue to look forward to your blessings as a state, your guidance, your vision, and we assure you we will never let you down on anything that you decide that Goa is a destination and we should take it forward. On the occasion of Dasra, I would like to wish Gadkari Sahib and Mansukh Ji also a happy Dasra, and all the people present here a very happy Dasra. May Goa progress under the leadership of the Chief Minister, and may we all make maximum use of the facilities that are being provided by the Government of India to us. Time has come to make a change. Time has come to maximum exploit what is given to us in a very positive manner, and positively think and move forward. I think that is the way we need to all think, and constantly think differently if we have to succeed in today's times. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Can we have a big round of applause once again? That's well said. The only thing constant in life is change. We now invite the guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge for Shipping, Shri Mansukh L. Mandaviya Ji, all the way from Delhi. Ladies and gentlemen, is joining us. Can we have a big round of applause for him once again? A big hello to you, sir, from Goa.
जय नमस्ते। कोकण मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर के शिलान्यास के अवसर पर आज हमारे बीच में उपस्थित मोदी जी के मंत्रिमंडल के वरिष्ठ साथी और भारत के विजनरी लीडर सम्माननीय गडकरी जी, मेरे मित्र और गोवा के चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी, गोवा के इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर जी और जीजी शिपिंग, सभी उपस्थित भाइयों और बहनों, आज मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने इनिशिएटिव लेके मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर बनाने के लिए वो आगे आए हैं। सागरमाला योजना में मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर के संदर्भ में विचार किया गया था, 2-3 लोकेशन भी आइडेंटिफाई किया गया था, लेकिन गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने इनिशिएटिव लिया, इसलिए मैं फिर से एक बार प्रमोद जी, उसकी सरकार और सभी को अभिनंदन देता हूं। हम सिर्फ बिल्डिंग में क्यों आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं? दो विषय है। एक, इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में हम कॉम्पिटिटिव नहीं है। दूसरा, डोमेस्टिक डिमांड नहीं है। डोमेस्टिक डिमांड बढ़े और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में हम कॉम्पिटिटिव कैसे बने, उसके लिए मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर बहुत आवश्यक है, जो आज कदम उठाया जा रहा है। और दोनों क्षेत्र में शिपिंग मिनिस्ट्री ने काम करना शुरू किया है। मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर के माध्यम से इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन में हम कैसे कॉम्पीट कर पाए, उसके लिए हमने 20% इंसेंटिव तो हम दे ही रहे हैं। उसके अलावा ऐसे मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर बनने से, कॉमन फैसिलिटी क्रिएट होने से, कॉमन डिजाइन सेंटर क्रिएट होने से, कॉमन एंसिलरी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल होने से उसकी कॉस्ट कम होगी। दूसरा, देश में इंडिजिनियस डिमांड कैसे बढ़े। आज इनलैंड वाटरवेज डेवलप हो रहा है। अगले दिनों में मैं पार्लियामेंट में कोस्टल शिपिंग को बढ़ावा देने के लिए एक सेपरेट बिल लेके आ रहा हूं, जैसे कि देश में कोस्टल मूवमेंट बढ़े, कोस्टल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बढ़े। बार बार गडकरी जी कहते हैं मल्टी मॉडल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कैसे हो। मल्टी मॉडल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इनलैंड वाटरवेज, रेलवेज, रोडवेज और कोस्टल शिपिंग को जोड़ के जब हम आगे बढ़ने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, तब अगले दिनों में हमारी दो रिक्वायरमेंट बढ़नी है। एक, इनलैंड वेसल्स की डिमांड बढ़नी है। कोस्टल मूवमेंट बढ़ने से कोस्टल शिपिंग की डिमांड भी बढ़नी है। तीसरा, उसमें सबसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय यह है कि एफओबीआर के माध्यम से हमने कई आज प्रावधान पहले से एफओबीआर के माध्यम से हम फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, फर्स्ट रिफ्यूजल इंडियन कार्गो और इंडियन वेसल्स को देते थे, लेकिन उसमें भी लास्ट वीक में हमने बदल किया है। इंडियन बिट, इंडियन और इंडियन फ्लैग हो तो उसको फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देनी है। दूसरा, इंडियन कंपनी हो, इंडियन फ्लैग हो और फॉरेन बिल्ड हो तो उसको सेकंड प्रायोरिटी देनी है। तीसरी प्रायोरिटी भी हमने ऐड की है कि इंडियन मेक इन इंडिया हो, शिप बिल्डिंग इंडिया में हुआ हो, दुनिया में कोई भी कंपनी के पास हो, लेकिन भी हम एफओबीआर में थर्ड प्रायोरिटी में उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं। उसके पहले 2 महीने पहले हमने आत्मनिर्भर भारत के अंतर्गत एक डिसीजन लिया, भाई इंडिया की सभी मेजर पोर्ट पर ट्रक का यूज हो रहा है, वो मेक इन इंडिया ही होनी चाहिए। और उसमें हम आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं और भविष्य में हम इंडियन फ्लैग को ही रजिस्टर्ड इंडिया में इंडियन कोस्ट पर ट्रक को यूज करना है, ट्रक बोट को यूज करना है, तो वो मेक इन इंडिया ही हो, उसका ही हम रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे। इस दिशा में भी हमें आगे जाना है, जैसे कि शिप बिल्डिंग को देश में और बढ़ावा मिले। नंबर ऑफ टाइप के इनिशिएटिव और भी मेरे मन में चल रहा है, अगले दिनों में हम लेके आएंगे, जिसके माध्यम से नॉट ओनली फॉर इंडियन कंपनीज और इंडिया के लिए मैं उसको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देख रहा हूं। और मैं स्पष्ट मानता हूं कि अगले दिनों में और 1-2 इनिशिएटिव उसके साथ जुड़ जाने से मेक इन इंडिया को बढ़ावा मिलेगा, शिप बिल्डिंग इंडस्ट्रीज आगे बढ़ेगी। आज जो 25 जैसे शिपयार्ड है, उसको वो दुनिया के शिपयार्ड के साथ कोलैबोरेशन करे और इंडिया में शिप बिल्डिंग करे, और ये शिप बिल्डिंग के लिए उसको और रिलैक्सेशन और मदद की आवश्यकता है, उसको हम एक साथ में जोड़ेंगे। ये सब पहलू को इकट्ठा करते हुए जो आज गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने इनिशिएटिव लिया है मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर का, मैं अवश्य मानता हूं कि अगले दिनों में इंडिया मेक इन इंडिया में, आत्मनिर्भर भारत में इंडियन शिप बिल्डिंग के क्षेत्र जब आगे बढ़ेंगे, उसमें उसकी भूमिका बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होगी। और इसलिए मैं फिर से एक बार प्रमोद जी, उसके टीम, उसको अभिनंदन करता हूं। और हमें परमानेंट इस क्षेत्र में गडकरी जी का मार्गदर्शन मिलता रहा है, गडकरी जी को भी एक विजन देने के लिए अभिनंदन करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for being a part of this wonderful event and addressing us. Thank you once again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to hear from a very dynamic personality and a great visionary. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all invite Honorable Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Shri Nitin Jairam Gadkari ji, to address us online. Let's all put our hands together for him and welcome him once again.
Cabinet colleague, Adranaya Mansukh Bhai, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Industries Minister of Goa, Adranaya Vishwajit Rane, DG Shipping, Honorable Managing Director and Chairman of Konkan Maritime Cluster, Sri Surajji, all respectable dignitaries and dear friends. This is a very important event for Goa. The Bhumi Pujan and Foundation Stone laying ceremony for construction of Common Facility Center of Konkan Marine Cluster is going to be a great achievement and development for the future of Goa. Goa is the maritime state, and actually we need maximum industries related with maritime industries more in Goa because already the expertise is available. And for that reason, the cluster development program is a scheme of Ministry of MSME where 80 common facility center projects have been completed all over the country and 80 are under implementation. In Goa, one common facility center has already been set up for cashew cluster. The Konkan Maritime Cluster is the first cluster of its kind in India, and the ministry is supporting the local industry in setting up a common facility center. Already, Mansukh Bhai has given you the idea about the development of inland waterways, and the government has given the highest priority for development of marine system, marine engines, marine industries, and particularly the maritime sector is concerned, Goa has got a lot of importance. In the western side, Goa is one of the important ports which is available, where the government is interested to develop with development of fast motorboats, catamaran, hovercrafts. Then a lot of new innovations have taken place. And that is the reason that this cluster is very important, which can develop future technology for the marine sector. And that is the reason that the way in which the sector is going to manage, it is very important. First of all, shipbuilding, ship repairing, ship designing, and support activities for shipbuilding and repairing are continued since hundreds of years in the state of Goa. It is already there. And currently, approximately 180 enterprises are working on shipbuilding and repairing and supporting activities for shipbuilding. And there is one government-owned enterprise, Goa Shipyard, is already there. The commonly manufactured products are ships, shipbuilding components, engineering components. The services include repairing of ships and components. Actually, in this sector, we need to plan and develop catamaran, good airboats, having a speed of 80 nautical miles per hour. Then actually, already Mansukh Bhai and me, we are now, when we are ministry and shipping, at that time we try our level best to start amphibious seaplane, where they can even landing on the airstrip at the same time on the water. So all the technologies are available, and this is the time for India to take the innovation, technology, and the research and successful practices in marine sector all over the world. And we need to implement all this thing into the India. I will request Honorable Mansukh Bhai ji that if Cochin Shipyard has taken an interest for developing their ancillary industries in this particular sector and in the area of Goa also, in this center of Konkan Maritime Cluster, then it can be win-win situation for both for the Cochin Shipyard and for the Goa industry. There is a lot of demand for manufacturing of different type of ships, catamaran, hovercraft, same time, like we have started successfully the RoRo service between Mumbai to Alibag and Mumbai to Neral. So there is a huge potential that already RoRo services are there in Brahmaputra, in Ganga. And at the same time, the Mansukh Bhai and our agriculture minister, Adaraniya Tomarji, and also we are supporting them for making of the most important thing where we are now going to concentrate on blue economy. We want to make the blue economy of at least 5 lakhs crore. And for that reason, we need particularly the ships of new designing, where they can go up to 100 nautical mile in the sea for fishing. And there we can increase the production of the fishing more than 6 times. It is going to helpful for us for making exports, packaging industry, at the same time processing industries for fishing. And there is a huge potential. So in all this sector, we need new ships, new technology, new engines also. Now, in place of using diesel, we are very much interested to use methanol or LNG as a fuel. It is cost effective, pollution free, and now we need to take the cooperation from the industry like Versila, and where we can develop the engines on methanol. Already the engines are developed. We can use that. The methanol rate is 20 rupees per liter, and diesel rate is more than 65, 70 rupees per liter. So this is the time that we need to accept the successful international practices, a new technology and new innovation. I will request the Honorable Vishwajit Raneji and Pramod Sawant, in the future development of all this sector, either it is related with the fishing, either it is related with the shipping, either it is related with the RoPax, at the same time with the using of cruise, using of fast motor boats. It is the time for Goa to make a manufacturing hub for all these type of new innovations and new research in Goa of international standards. Actually, in the countries like Russia, Norway, they are developing their marine cluster, the way in which they are developing. It is the time for India to accept their technology, innovations, and we should make all type of this shipping, all type of equipments of international standards. Either it is considering the engines or fuel or architecture of the ships. That is very important. We have got good designers, we have got good technology, good industry now, and now we are developing good industrial cluster by which we are qualitatively contribute in the making of this new India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is a dream of Honorable Prime Minister. By accepting the new technology in this field, I am confident that India is going to become a manufacturing hub for all these things. Already our government shipyards, Goa shipyard is there. At the same time, Cochin shipyard is there. So it is the time for the DG shipping. And Honorable Mansukh Bhai, I will request them that we have to make the coordination between our industrial clusters and our shipyards. All shipyards have got a huge requirement. And if they can give their order to industry, those are already in our marine clusters, then it can be a good economic viability, win-win situation for both. And our member of marine clusters, where I will request you that you should have a technology of international standards, the equipments of international standards, the new innovation by which you can standardize your industry. There is lot of potential, lot of demand, and actually, Honorable Minister Mansukh Bhai is already telling you about the inland waterways. We need to construct new barges, but at the cost effective and pollution free by using new technology. So this marine cluster is very important. This is Konkan Maritime Cluster, which is going to help for the development of our industry and the maritime sector. Honorable Minister Mansukh Bhai is keenly interested. He will support all the things. By the way, I am also the Minister for MSME, and I will also support you And what I will request Vishwajit Rane to plan a 5 years development plan, making of new maritime, new technology in the sector, new manufacturing, new innovation, new research, and you can fix up the target that how far this industry will get the orders from the government shipyards, Cochin shipyard and other thing. They have got the huge potential. The waiting list is there. They can increase their productivity with the help of all vendors, which they can develop in the area of this Konkan maritime cluster also. And this is really a golden opportunity for development for Goa. And the most important thing, which is a challenge with Pramodji and Vishwajitji, that how they are going to create more employment potential in Goa. Already we have now good infrastructure, flyovers, bridges, everything. We have got a good developed port. Tourism is already our main strength. We are developing all type of facility in Goa for tourism. And if we can connect water transport, by which we can connect hotels from airports and ports to the hotels, it can be really a great thing for Goa. I will request you for development of all these new things, new technology, new innovation, where Goa can be a growth center for marine hub. At the same time, maritime cluster, which is the need for the future India, is going to fulfill by the Goa. Can be a really a great historical contribution from Goa for the country. Today it's a pleasure for me. I am also very much keenly interested for all these developments in Goa. We will all support you from Indian government. And Vishwajit Raneji, you take the initiative, you plan it, you take the vision, you find out the difficulties what they are facing. Come to us, to Mansukh Bhai and me. We will resolve your all problems. We will create market for them. At the same time, we will try to support them to create economic viability. And not only up to India, but the time will come that they will export their material to abroad, and that is exactly the dream behind all these ventures. Again, it is really a great thing and good start for Goa. I am giving my special thanks to Pramod Sawant, Vishwajit Raneji, and the people of Goa, and also for the government for taking this new initiative, which is going to be a growth engine for development of Goa and giving good vision. At the same time, 180 industries which are related with the marine industry, that's how they are going to boost up by this initiative. It is really a pleasure and pride for me. I am giving my all best wishes to you. Today is the auspicious day of Dussehra, and it's a good start and going to start a growth engine for Goa, creating employment potential for thousands of youth in Goa. It is really a great pleasure for me. I am giving my special thanks and my special best wishes for construction of Common Facility Center of Konkan Maritime Cluster. I am giving my special thanks to all members, the chairman, and all stakeholders, and wishing them good success for the future. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause? Thank you, sir, for showing so much of love for Goa. I'm sure with your love, support and cooperation, Goa was definitely going to be elevated to great heights. Thank you so much.
They say excellence is achieved by those who believe that there's something inside them that's far superior than the circumstances. A leader creates a vision, he articulates it and sees it that it's driven to completion. And he's that kind of a leader for us. Please put your hands together and welcome our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Pramod Sawant.
For the laying of the foundation stone of the marine Konkan cluster. The guest for today's function, the Minister of the Road and Transport and Highway and Minister for the Micro and Small Medium Entrepreneurs, Honorable Sri Nitin Gadkari ji. The guest of honor for today's function, the Minister for the State Independent Charge of Shipping, Sri Mansukh Bhai Madhia ji. Our own Minister for the Industries, Sri Vishwajit Jirani, Honorable MLA, Sri Glenn Tiklo, Honorable Baba Shan, the Chairman of the Konkan Marine Cluster, Mr. Suraj, Captain Jaykumar, all the dignitaries among the audience, my press media, my friends. सगळ्यात पयली तुमकां सगळ्यांक विजयादशमीच्यो दसऱ्याच्यो खूब खूब शुभेच्छा. आज दसऱ्याच्या दिसा फाउंडेशन स्टोन घालता आसतना म्हालसा देवीक नमन करून जी सायडीकूच आसा तिच्याच देवळात आतांच शस्त्रपूजन करून हांव म्हज्या बरोबर आमचे मिनिस्टर्स शस्त्रपूजन करून हांगा आयला. दर दसऱ्याक आमी सीमोल्लंघन करता आनी सीमोल्लंघन करतना आयच्या ह्या दिसा आमी म्हणटाले की इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टरात सगळ्यात व्हडलें सीमोल्लंघन जर आसत जाल्यार विच इज द फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ द कोकण मरीटायम क्लस्टर हे आमी केल्लें आसा. हें निश्चितच म्हाका दिसता सगळ्या खातीर व्हड गजाल आसा. Honorable Sri Gadkari ji or Madhya ji has always had a special place for the Goa in their heart. They have taken the number of initiatives for the beneficial for the Goa, and which is wonderful. They are both are present. They have addressed. खूपशे फावटी आम्ही जेन्ना ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर नितीन गडकरी जी म्हटले गोंयांत जितके प्रोजेक्ट आयज जे पळयता म्हणजे ते आमी एक्स मिनिस्टर श्री मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर हांच्या काळात सुरू केल्ले म्हणजे which is a special project which given for the state of Goa is our Nitin Gadkari ji under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. तुम्ही नॅशनल हायवे काढून पळयात, ब्रिजेस काढून पळयात, तुम्ही जुवारीची कनेक्टिव्हिटी काढून पळयात आणि ताज्याय पेक्षा रिसेंटली which is the MOPA connectivity to the national highway, which is a special project sanctioned for the government of Goa, which is specially by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Gadkari ji, and special. And thanks for both of them on this occasion. आम पळयता की गोंय ही शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री नवीन ना. पोर्तुगीजाच्याय काळात गोंयांत शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री आशिल्ली म्हणजे आताच मान्य गडकरीजी सांगला 100 वर्सां पयलीं पासून शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री गोंयांत आसा आनी तितून डे बाय डे नवीन डेव्हलपमेंट ही सदोदीत गोंयांत करीत आयिल्ली आसा. जावं ती मागीर गोवा शिपयार्ड आसतली किंवा प्रायव्हेट शिपिंग इंडस्ट्रीज आसतले सगळे प्रायव्हेट प्लेयर्स आसतले जेंच्यांनी कितलेशेच मोठ्या प्रमाणात अपग्रेडेशन करपाचे केल्ले आसा. आनी कोकण मरीटायम क्लस्टर हो असो क्लस्टर जावन आसा म्हाका दिसता ह्या क्लस्टरा खातीर गोंयचें नांव विच इज अ प्राऊड मोमेंट फॉर अस. पुराय भारतांतलो एकमेव कोकण मरीटायम क्लस्टर हो आमच्या स्टेटीत जाता हें खरोखरूच आमचें भाग्य आसा आनी शिपिंग इंडस्ट्रीत हें आनी एक मोठें पावल आसा जेणे करून म्हणजे शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री आतापर्यंत फक्त आम्ही बार्जीस बांदताले धाकल्यो बोटी बांदताले एखादी दुसरी बोट जी आसा ही बिगर किंवा एक्सपोर्ट जाताली असाच प्रायव्हेटूय प्लेयर्स आसात. म्हाका दिसता हे सांगता आसतना म्हणजे कितल्योश्योच बोटी ज्यो आसात ताराराणी which is formed in which is manufactured in the Goa. ह्या मरीन क्लस्टरा उपरांत गोंयांतली शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री जे आनीकूय कितलेशेच मोठ्या प्रमाणात शिप्स आणि वेरियस पार्ट्स विल एक्सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. आम्ही पळयता आसतना म्हणजे गोंयच्यो वॉटरवेज खूप कमी प्रमाणात आम्ही यूज करता. प्रत्येक फावटी पळयता आसतना प्रत्येक ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन्स देर आर द 11 rivers and 2 ports, one major port and one minor port. But the utilization of the port is which is very minimum. It is not only for the coal. बऱ्याच जणांक दिसता पोर्ट म्हटलो काय कोळसो ना. आम्ही खूप कितें पोर्टाचेर करपाक शकता. आम्ही जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार करता ते पळयल्या काय बऱ्याच जणांक दिसता ते आम्ही कोळशा खातीरच करता. ना, आमकां कोळशा खातीर करपाची गरज ना. त्या खातीर सोडून दियात ही आंदोलनां करपाची. कोळसो आम्ही हाडूंक ना. कितलीशीच वर्सां पयलीं पासून चलत आयल्या. कोळसो आम्ही वाडोवंक ना. परतूय सांगता आम्ही जर पोर्ट डेव्हलपमेंट करता आम्ही ही जी सगळी डेव्हलपमेंट करता इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज which we can use for the different export and import. वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीची आयजूय बी there are the pharmaceutical units, so many units here in Verna itself. But from where they are exporting from the Mumbai port. Why? So there is there is a facilities is available on this port. आमकां ती फॅसिलिटीज जी आसा ही हांगा अवेलेबल करपाक लावची पडटली. कारण आमी हे जर केले आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता नॉट ओनली द मेडिसिन्स. We are at a coastal site. There is so much scope to export and import the various things. And we have the capacity, we have the capability, we have the manpower, we have the infrastructure available. But we want to utilize that. But कितलेशेच फावटी वेगवेगळ्या विरोधा खातीर आमी एकदा पळयता की वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली आमी सारक्यो लायनीर घालपाक शकना. माननीय गडकरीजी उलयता आसतना तांच्यांनी सांगलें की हय आमी एअरपोर्टाचेर देवल्या उपरांत विथ सी कनेक्टिविटी वी गो फ्रॉम द साउथ टू नॉर्थ and it is available, it is possible. By using the waterways we are developing that type of facilities on the private partnerships. आम्ही जे प्रायव्हेट पार्टनर्स येवपाक तयार आसात विथ द वॉटरवेज ज्या पद्दतीत आमकां वेगवेगळ्या सेक्टरात यूज करपाक मेळटा त्या सेक्टरात ऑन पीपीपी मोड वी आर रेडी. आणि म्हाका दिसता निश्चितच दिस इज नॉट ओनली द कोकण मॅरिटायम क्लस्टर बट इन फ्युचर आमकां वेगवेगळे क्लस्टर्स हांगासर डेव्हलप जावपाक जाय. इवन दो द टेक्सटायल क्लस्टर, इवन दो द एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टरातले क्लस्टर, फिशिंग सेक्टरातले म्हणजे जेका आमी फूड प्रोसेसिंग क्लस्टर्स, so many clusters come. This is the first cluster. The government of India is asking for the different projects. There are very few private partners. They are applying for this type of the clusters. फाटल्याच दिसांनी 4-5 दीस पयलीं एखादें जे लेटर आयलें की आमी कितले क्लस्टर करूं शकता. Now thanks to the Minister Gadkari ji, he is always supportive. He is saying that there are the various clusters you can form. ते क्लस्टर्स म्हाका दिसता आमी तशा पद्दतीन जर करपाक घेतले जाल्यार निश्चितच गोंयांत तांच्यांनी जशें म्हटलें की आमकां एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी वाडोवपाक जाय आसत जाल्यार ती फक्त सरकार वाडोवंक शकना. विथ द यू पीपल, विथ द इंडस्ट्री पीपल, इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर अस. इट इज माय रिक्वेस्ट फॉर ऑल द इंडस्ट्री पीपल. आमी वॉट एवर म्हणजे हांवें जेन्ना म्हटलां की दसऱ्या दीस सिमोल्लंघन आमी इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टरात करता खंयसरूच काळजी करपाची गरज ना. आमी वॉट एवर द सपोर्ट, मायसेल्फ अँड इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर इज हियर, अवर आयडीसी चेअरमॅन इज ऑल्सो बाबूलाल टिकलो इज हियर, इंडस्ट्रीज पीपल आर ऑल्सो हियर. कितें सपोर्ट म्हणजे म्हाका खबर आसा म्हणजे दर इज स्लायटली खंय तरी मरीन क्लस्टराची फायर उलयल्ली म्हाजे कडेन संपर्कान आयना फुडें रोखडोच आय हॅड आस्क्ड फॉर अवर इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर आयडीसी आनी रोखडीच आमी क्लियर केली. हाच्या खातीर एक गजाल आयच्या दिसा मुद्दामून सांगपाक सोदता. वॉट एवर द सपोर्ट you required in industrial sector, we are there. आमचे रँकिंग खंयसरी कमी गेला आसत, इट इज डिपेंड्स अपॉन जे वेगवेगळ्या कडल्यान व्ह्यूज घेता आणि ताज्या उपरांत तो रँकिंग जो आसा हो रँकिंग दिता. बट निश्चितच आमी हो रँकिंग सुधारपा खातीर वेगवेगळे चेंजीस इन IPB इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड, इवन दो इन द IDC अँड इवन दो इन द इंडस्ट्री आमी तयारी दवरल्या की वेगवेगळ्या सपोर्ट जो आसा हो ह्या सेक्टरांत करपाक जाय म्हणून. मसुबाई मडविया उलयता आसतना दे हॅव ब्लू इकॉनॉमी आनी सागरमाला ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचेर उलयले. म्हाका दिसता आमची स्टेट जेका स्कोप आसा ब्लू इकॉनॉमीक काम करपा खातीर आनी द पीपल फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री शूड कम फॉरवर्ड टू वर्क इन द ब्लू इंडस्ट्री. निश्चितच म्हणजे फिशिंग इन नॉट ओनली द फिशिंग, there are the various sectors in the blue economy also. इंडस्ट्री सायडीतले खुबशे लोक ह्या ब्लू इकॉनॉमीन इन्व्हेस्ट करपा खातीर सागरमाला प्रोजेक्ट फुडें व्हरपा खातीर निश्चितच म्हाका दिसता कितलेशेच लोक हे फुडें येतले आनी गोंय अशा पद्दतीचो स्किल्ड मॅन पॉवर आमी पळयता की कितलेशेच सी फेरर्स आसतले अदरवायज स्किल्ड मॅन पॉवर्स जे ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल विथ द स्टेट. ह्या सेक्टरांतली मॅन पॉवर आमच्या कडेन अवेलेबल आसा आणि बऱ्या पद्धतीचे काम आम्ही करपाक शकतले. निश्चितच तुम्ही सगळे जाण या सगळ्या वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीच्या प्रोजेक्टांत जशें आमी म्हणटा ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर हांच्यांनी आत्मनिर्भर भारत हाच्या सकयल की वेगवेगळ्यो मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग हे भारतात करचे म्हणून तांच्यांनी सुरवात केली. अँड अंडर द एबल लिडरशीप ऑफ ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑलरेडी ऑल ओव्हर द इंडिया द मेक इन इंडिया एज अ कन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट. I think the Konkan Maritime Cluster, which is the proud moment for us, for the Make in Goa, हो प्रोजेक्ट आमच्या खातीर तितकोच खूप महत्वाचो आसतलो. म्हणजे ज्याचेर आमी खासून म्हणजे फाल्यां सकाळी हांगांतल्यान जावपी स्पेर्स जे सगळ्या पुराय देशभर आनी विदेशांत वतले, which is specially mentioned that is the Make in Goa, Make in India ह्या प्रोजेक्टाच्या सकयल ते बाब सूरज आणि ताजे सगळी पुराय टीम जे एकीकडे येवन ह्या पद्दतीचो क्लस्टर्स तांच्यांनी सुरू केला. निश्चितच ह्या क्लस्टराच्या सकयल ज्यो वेगवेगळ्यो स्पेर्स पण वेगवेगळ्यो कंपनीज ज्यो एकीकडे येवन हे काम करतले तांकां म्हाजी खूब बेस्ट विशीस. आणि आयच्या परत एकदा विजयादशमीच्या दिसा हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक दसऱ्याच्यो शुभेच्छा दिता. माय स्पेशल विशेस फॉर मिस्टर श्री मिनिस्टर फॉर नितीन गडकरी जी आणि मिनिस्टर श्री मनसुखभाई मडविया जी. Especially you both of you are come on online and with your specially guidance on the different projects for the state of Goa. You are always supportive and under your visionary leadership in this, especially the MSME, shipping, road and transport, Goa will prosper further. Thank you, one and all.
खूप देव बरें करूं डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत.